Installation of the DCN Flush Mount system, consisting of a flush mount microphone button, microphone port, and priority button. The flush mount cutout in the surface of the desk needs to be 171.5 millimeters by 33 millimeters wide. That will incorporate all three of the flush mount devices and the end caps. Your three flush mount units, your mic talk button, the microphone port itself, the priority button. To start with, you'll use your F cups to place the positioning tools so that you can get to the correct positioning for the different modules to slot in. So you put your first F cup into the slot to the far left or right, depending on which end you want to work from, and then screw the little screw until it is tight. That'll lock the F cup in position. Put in the next F cup, leaving it loose. Then you can slide in one of the positioning tools into the position, into the slots. Once it's in, tighten up the second F cup. Carry on doing this until you've got all the F cups and positioning tools in place, and that all the F cups are tightened. Once that's all done, you can pull out the positioning tools with the F cups staying behind. Then you can take your different modules. Obviously your F cups will be locked in place. I'm just going to pull them up to demonstrate. Different modules can then slide into the F cup from the top and lock into place. You'll do this for each module, positioning in the order that you see is right. I think this would probably be the best one, with your microphone in the middle and the microphone talk buttons on the side. So that's what you'll be sitting with once you've finished. They'll all be locked in position. You can then put your end caps on, lock them in, and that's your flush mount positioned in place. If for any reason you need to disassemble, you would use the extraction tool. You go from underneath, sliding the extraction tool into the holes underneath, pushing on it, and that will force the system to break apart. And you do that for each unit for whichever one you need to work with.